Welcome back to Digital Cars Info, your trusted destination for the most authentic and officially confirmed car updates from top automotive brands around the world. In today's video, we're diving deep into the officially revealed details of the 2026 Volvo XC90, a premium SUV that has received an impressive overhaul from the previous generation. According to the latest updates from Volvo, this new model sets a higher benchmark in terms of design, technology, safety, and performance. The 2026 Volvo XC90 carries forward the Swedish automaker's commitment to innovation, luxury, and sustainability. According to official announcements, the new XC90 adopts a more refined and sculpted design language, integrating a sleeker front fascia with updated Thor's hammer LED headlamps and a redesigned grille that adds a bold yet elegant presence on the road. The rear profile is also more dynamic, featuring revised LED taillights and a reworked bumper that enhances its road stance. The SUV now sits on newly designed aerodynamic alloy wheels, contributing not just to aesthetics but also improved efficiency. Moving inside, the cabin of the 2026 XC90 offers an elevated experience with a focus on Scandinavian luxury. According to the latest updates, Volvo has upgraded the materials to include premium recycled textiles, sustainably sourced wood trims, and soft-touch surfaces throughout the cabin. The 2026 model also debuts an all-new digital cockpit, combining a larger, more responsive 14.5-inch vertically oriented infotainment screen with Google built-in services and enhanced connectivity features. A fully digital driver display and a new head-up display system further improve the driving experience by delivering vital information directly within the driver's line of sight. One of the most significant upgrades in the 2026 Volvo XC90 is under the hood. According to Volvo's official updates, the new model introduces an enhanced range of powertrains, including a more powerful T8 Recharge plug-in hybrid variant. This upgraded hybrid system now delivers over 450 horsepower, a significant increase from the previous generation's 400 horsepower. The improved powertrain enables quicker acceleration and better responsiveness, achieving 0 to 100 km per hour in under 5.2 seconds. The all-electric range has also been extended to around 80 kilometers, making it more practical for daily electric-only commuting. In addition to the hybrid variant, the 2026 XC90 will also be offered with Volvo's next-gen all-electric architecture under the EX90 badge in certain markets. The electric drivetrain is expected to produce up to 517 horsepower and deliver a range of approximately 600 kilometers on a full charge. Charging capabilities have also improved significantly, with ultra-fast DC charging support that enables 10 to 80% top-up in just around 30 minutes, making long journeys more convenient than ever before. When it comes to handling and ride comfort, the 2026 Volvo XC90 features an upgraded suspension system and an optional air suspension setup for enhanced ride quality. The chassis has been re-engineered to provide better road grip, reduced body roll, and improved high-speed stability. These enhancements deliver a more confident and refined driving experience compared to its predecessor. Volvo has also introduced major updates in the area of safety, a core pillar of the brand. The new XC90 comes equipped with the latest generation of Volvo's Pilot Assist, offering semi-autonomous driving assistance in more traffic conditions and at higher speeds. The SUV also includes a 360-degree camera system, cross-traffic alert with automatic braking, and upgraded radar and lidar sensors integrated into the roofline to detect hazards more accurately than ever before. According to Volvo, this lidar technology is part of their vision to eliminate fatalities in their vehicles, making the 2026 XC90 one of the safest SUVs in its class. In terms of convenience and user-focused technology, the 2026 XC90 includes improved over-the-air (OTA) update functionality, meaning the vehicle software systems can receive performance improvements, feature enhancements, and bug fixes without needing a dealership visit. The voice control system is also enhanced, responding more naturally and supporting deeper in-car controls such as climate, navigation, and media. Rear seat passengers also get more attention in this iteration. Volvo has upgraded the rear entertainment system, added USB-C ports in all rows, and ensured better cabin insulation for a quieter ride. There's also a panoramic sunroof, customizable ambient lighting, and a new fragrance and air purification system that enhances the premium experience for all occupants. Cargo space remains generous, and with the added flexibility of third-row seating, the 2026 XC90 continues to serve as a practical luxury SUV for families. The new layout also improves ingress and egress for passengers, making the overall experience more user-friendly. To sum up, The 2026 Volvo XC90 stands as a major leap forward from its predecessor, with stronger performance, increased electric range, next-gen safety features, and premium comfort. According to the latest updates from Volvo, this SUV is designed to meet the expectations of modern luxury buyers while aligning with the company's goal of becoming a fully electric brand by the end of the decade. Thanks for watching this detailed update on the all-new 2026 Volvo XC90. If you found this information useful and appreciate getting only the officially confirmed updates, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Digital Cars Info for more such authentic automotive content. We'll be back soon with